come on up. We are going to do some quadruped to plank. And we are going to, today we're going to have the band right at our pelvis. This can be a little tricky to get into, but what it's going to help you remember is to keep your butt down so it doesn't go flying up when we get into doing our push-ups. So you're going to take the band and wrap it down around your tush. All right, and this can be a little tricky. And then you're going to reach your hands out and stabilize the band with your hands with the band around your tush. Legs are about hip distance apart. You're going to tuck your toes under, take a breath, and now as you exhale, you're going to come up into a plank with the band at your tush, and it's going to remind you not to poke it up to the sky. And then you're going to bend your knees down. Let's do a few more. Exhale, shoot out to your plank, upper middle back to the sky, and bend the knees back down. And again, exhale, 3, and bend the knees down. Let's go for 8. Exhale, 4, bend the knees down. Exhale, 5, and down. 3 more if you can. Exhale, 6, squeeze the tush, hollow the abs. Exhale, 7, and lower down. Last one. Exhale, 8, and lower down, and shake it out. All right, take the band, and now we're going to tie it around your ankles. We're going to do leg pull front, all the way the full with the rocks and everything. And we're going to have the band around our ankles to give us some more challenge. So you're going to tie the band around the ankles close together. And then we're going to flip back over onto our hands and get the band out of your way if it's in your way. You're going to tuck your toes under and now shoot out into your one long line. Make sure the tush is down. Here we go. Lift, point, rock, point, flex, and down. Lift, point, rock, point, flex. That's 1. Lift, point, rock, point, flex, and down. Lift, point, rock, point, flex. 2. Lift, point, rock, point, flex, and down. Lift, point, rock, point, flex. 3. 2 more sets. Rock, flex, and down. Lift, point, rock, point, flex, and down. Last set. Lift, rock, flex, and down. Lift, rock, flex, and down. Wonderful. Rest into your child's pose again. Alrighty then, come on up. We're going to go right into hip twist, and we can just keep our band right on our ankles just as they are. We're going to do figure 8 circles here. So, band is at the ankles. You're going to reach your hands behind you, and you're going to try and get them in a place where you can keep your chest open and your elbows as straight as possible. That is our goal. Can be kind of hard if your chest is really tight, but give it a go. Tip back off your sits bones and reach your legs to the sky. Have the legs a little bit apart, and we're going to go circle down and around and up, and then center, other way, down and around and up, and center. And again, down and around and up, and center, other way, down and around and up, and center. And again, down and around and up, and down and around and up. One more time, down and around and up, and down and around and up. Very nice rest. Seal. All right, come up, and you're going to take the band off from your feet. And we're actually going to tie the band around our thighs. This is going to help give us a little bit of awareness of what's going on in our outer thighs while we do this. So you're going to take the band, have your knees about hip distance apart, and you're going to tie the band. So when we're doing seal, we don't want our legs going into our largest lateral rotation, but this is just going to give us a little bit of awareness of what's going on with them. And again, you get another Lisa original, lucky you. You're going to tip back off your pelvis, bend your knees up, take your hands, slide them through, and you're going to grab onto your feet while you rotate out into your fabulous bands. And here we go. Clap, 2, 3, roll back. Clap, 2, 3, come up. Clap, 2, 2, 3, roll back, clap, 2, 3, come up, clap, 2, 3, roll back, clap, 2, 3, come up, clap, 2, 3, roll back, clap, 2, 3. That was 4. Clap, 2, 3, and clap, 2, 3. 5. Clap, 2, 3, and clap, 2, 3. 6. Clap, 2, 3, and clap, 2, 3. 7. Clap, 2, 3, and clap, 2, 3, and rest. I hope you had as much fun as I did. All right, side bends. Take the band off from your thighs now, and we're going to have the band under our hand, and we'll just go up to a big T as we do our side bends. And you're going to reach the arm to the sky, and maybe we'll do some tricep presses. Okay, so you're going to take the band, and you're going to put the band underneath your hand, and then it's going to be in the top hand as well. So it's anchored in the bottom hand. Top leg is in front of the bottom ankle. Top foot is in front of the bottom ankle. You're reaching out, and the underneath rib cage is nice and lifted. Deep breath. Now you're going to exhale. Come up into your side bend. Reach your arm out and up to the sky as you do your side bend. And then come back down. And again, exhale. Shoot up. Reach to the big T. And come back down. We'll do 8 of these. Exhale, reach out and up, and come back down. This is 4. Reach out and up, and come back down. And 5. Reach out, lift the waist, lift the hips, and come down. And 6. Reach out, and come back down. And 7. Reach out, and come back down. Last one, stay up there. 8. Reach out. Let's do some triceps. Bend the elbow and stretch it up. 1. Bend the elbow. Exhale. 2. Bend the elbow. Exhale. 3. Bend the elbow. Exhale. 4. Bend the elbow. Reach it out. 5. Bend the elbow. Reach it out. 6. 2 more. Bend the elbow. Reach it out. 7. Bend the elbow and reach it out. 8. Come on down. Very nice. All right, mermaid sit, grab your shins, reach one arm up, and do a nice side stretch. All right, flip the legs, set up on the other side. So top leg is just a little bit in front of the bottom ankle. Legs are out a little in front of you. Bottom hand is out a little to the side. Your underneath rib is lifted. Head is reaching out and away. Deep inhale. Exhale. Push down. Come on up. Reach the band to the sky. And then come back down. Deep breath. Exhale. Come on up. Reach out. Make sure the hips are nice and balanced. And come on up. Again. Exhale. Reach out and away. 3. And come on down. Exhale, reach out and away. 4. And come on down. Exhale, shoot it up. 5. And come on down. Exhale, lift the hips to the sky. 6. And inhale down. 2 more. Exhale, lift the hips up. 7. And come on down. Last one, lift the hips up. 8 and stay there. Here we go. Bend the elbow, press it up. 1. Bend the elbow, press it up. 2. Bend the elbow, press it up. 3. Bend the elbow, and a 4. Bend the elbow. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. 2 more if you can. Inhale, exhale, 7. 1 more. Inhale, and 8. Very nice. Come on down. Bend the knees, grab the shins, reach the arm up and over. Give yourself a little tug and stretch out your side body. All right, my friends. 1 more before stretch time. Push-ups. Full length, and we're going to have our band at our at our shoulder blades so that we can make sure our shoulder blades don't pinch together too much. So come on up, take your band, and you're going to put it up at your shoulder blades, and then you're going to anchor the band under your hands. And again, you have control over how much tension you want to have. We're going to go for 8 Pilates style push-ups. I like to call them elbow bends because we're not trying to get our chin to the floor. We're trying to keep our shoulder blades nice and stable. All right. Feet are hips distance apart. Tuck those toes under. Inhale, exhale. Shoot to one long line. Here we go. Bend and bend and bend. Exhale, 1. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. This is 3. Down, down, down. 4. Down, down, down. And 5. Down, down, down. And 6. Down. 2, 3. Pull it up. 7. Last 1, 2, 3. And you've made it. Fantastic, my friends. Shift back into child's pose.